Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my room, long awaited. And as you can tell by the background, it's looking pretty crazy. So first, I have to go get my Bluetooth speaker because that just makes it a million times easier to clean when you're blasting music. And I also just went and got this odor absorber, and I'm gonna put this in my room while I clean it because this just makes your whole room smell like lavender, and I really like the smell of this thing. And now for probably what is the easiest task, but the task I always put off, fixing my bed. So the next thing I have to do is clean up my desk area. The first thing that's most obvious is why do I have all these mugs on my desk? But yeah, I'm gonna go put this stuff in the dishwasher and get this out of here. Why did I almost just trip? Okay. Now for all this nonsense that's on top of the desk. So I have my notebook, and this is the script for my last video. And then I have all these papers, headphones that are from Five Below, and I hate those headphones. Horrible quality, wouldn't recommend them. My coffee, and my Origins skincare. And then under here, this shelf just has random miscellaneous things. And we'll get to all the clothes that are right there. It's a long story. So I'm gonna have to fold all these clothes and put them in my basket. And I just realized this entire video, my lamp has been on the floor because my side table is in another room because I was using it as a tripod. So I'm gonna go get that and fix that. Okay, so I'm gonna put my Origins stuff in my skincare bag that's in the bathroom. And I have a bunch of my random necklaces on here. I need to be putting them in my jewelry case. And then I need to get rid of this because I still have this huge package from my Shein order, which was literally so long ago, but I still have all this stuff. And Shein needs to calm down with the packaging because, oh, this is lovely wholesale, but it's just too much packaging. I need to throw all this stuff away. And now I finally need to get my clothes under control. Now for my clean clothes, and I have never liked folding clothes, but it has to be done. So I basically just threw all my clothes in this huge pile because it's way easier to fold them when they're all in the same place. What was her name? Marie Kondo? I think she said to do that. So I'm following that. And I might be being naive thinking that I can fit all this stuff into this basket, but I'm gonna try my best. So that was it for today's video, and my room is finally all clean and I feel so much better about myself now. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.